How to manage updates from friends, notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage updates from friends, notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down and you will find this one, notifications. Click on it, and here you will find updates from friends. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just manage anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.